Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to get TikTok affiliate in all countries. So first thing that you will do guys is simply find an account or buy an account with a 5,000 followers from a country where TikTok shop affiliate is available. And after that, just ensure the account is legitimate and comes from a reliable seller. And next up is simply use a VPN like ExpressVPN to set your location to the country of the account like US or UK. And after that, just simply get a local SIM card from that country and make sure not to use any SIM while using the VPN. And after that, just simply apply as a TikTok creator. So just simply open up a TikTok and go to your profile and tap on the three lines in the top right corner and just simply select creator tools. And under monetization, just simply click on a TikTok shop for creators and just simply apply. And after that, guys, just simply ask the seller if the account is already verified. And if not, just simply request them to verify it with a country specific ID. And from there, guys, just simply join TikTok communities on Reddit or Discord if you need help verifying the account. And lastly, guys, just simply use the 1% method to get paid. So you can do this by contacting the brands you want to promote and ask them to set your TikTok shop commission to 1%. And at the end of the month, send an invoice to the brand for the full commission amount to receive your payment directly. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!